Dr. Zakir, why is it compulsory for a wife to seek permission of her husband before she performs a voluntary fast?
The beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 7, hadith number 5192. The Prophet said that no woman should perform voluntary fast without the permission of the husband if he's at home. A similar hadith is mentioned in Musnad Ahmad, volume number 2, page number 245, hadith number 7343, where the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that no woman should fast even a single day without the permission of the husband if he's at home, except in the month of Ramadan. Here we come to know the reason is that if she performs the voluntary fast, she is infringing on the rights of the husband. Maybe he would want to have her, he may want to spend time with her, and if she fasts without taking his permission, she may be infringing on his rights. And furthermore, it may even tempt him to do a sin, because if he wants and if he breaks a fast, it's a sin. And furthermore, we come to from the hadith that if the husband is not at home and if he's traveling, then she need not take the permission. Or if he's disabled, etc., and diseased and doesn't require her, then the fuqaha say that even at that time she need not take the permission. At the normal time when he's at home, she should take the permission.